How to cancel your Sekur subscription. If you wish to cancel your account, you can do so either on a computer browser or a mobile web browser. Please note, canceling your account will mean you are terminating your subscription in accordance to the terms of use you agreed upon. Open your device's browser and type sekur.com. For computer browser, click on the login button on the top right-hand side of the website. For mobile browser, tap on the three horizontal menu buttons on the top right-hand side of the website. Click or tap on the login button. Enter your username and password here, then click on the Sign In button. For a computer browser, on the top right-hand side of the screen, click on the Settings button. For mobile browser, on the Welcome screen, tap on the three horizontal menu button on the top left-hand side of the website. Next, click on Billing. Finally, click on the red button Stop Renewal. The cancellation of your Sekur service is now complete.